So right now, you guys, I'm going to pick up some chicken strips. Yes, we're going to pick up some chicken strips, which is going to be really good. I like my chicken strips sometimes, so just going to pick up some chicken strips. So talk to you guys then.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
So the chicken strips are in the oven, you guys, so that's what I'm waiting. I'm going to play some Piggy while I'm waiting, because I want to get the true ending, because I haven't got the true ending at all. And I'm trying to get the true ending, but it's not looking really good, because a lot of people don't like the true ending, so that's what I'm doing. Hey guys, so the doctor called and told me that just a cold, I just have to take it nice and easy, don't overdo myself and them stuff, so I'm just taking my time. Recuperate a little bit. It's just a cold. It's not COVID thing. So he just said, just take my time. Don't rush things. So I'm gonna do I'm making some pumpkin spice right now. So I'll talk to you guys how I make it. The first things first is grab some cinnamon, and then grab some nutmeg, which I have here. I'm not gonna measure it because I don't know. I'm making some nutmeg. I think that should be good because I don't want to overdo it either. And then you grab some ginger. And then you grab some ground cloves, which I need a spoon for that one. You grab some garlic cloves. That's how you make pumpkin spice, you guys. Yes. This is gonna be a video, you guys, sometime. And then you just stir it up. That's how you make pumpkin spice. You're just gonna get every last bit in there to make sure it's nice and pumpkin spice. Pumpkin spice. Just make sure it's nice and mixed, you guys. I'm using this container for like a video coming soon, so that's why I looked up how to make pumpkin spice. So that's what I'm making. This is what it should look like, you guys. It looked like brown, kind of brownish. That's how you make pumpkin spice, you guys. Yeah, simple, easy. How to make pumpkin spice? Yes. So right now, you guys, I'm getting ready to film a video, you guys. Yeah, it's gonna be fun and exciting, you guys. It's gonna be super fun. Oh, sorry. I'm still having a little tickle on my cold. But, maybe we would do some crazy stuff, you guys. You don't know what we come up with in my brain. So, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So, talk to you guys when we do it. So, we are gonna have some sidekicks. Some Italian dressing with veggies, and then we're having some fish. Woo! So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up, and stay tuned for me making something this week for a video, you guys. Yes, we are gonna do some crazy videos with you guys. That's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna end today's video. So hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.